Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a pipeline in GoHighLevel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in using your account credentials. This will give you access to your dashboard and all the features you need to set up your pipeline. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for and click on the Opportunities section. This is where GoHighLevel allows you to manage all your sales opportunities and organize them into structured pipelines for better workflow management. Once you're in the Opportunities area, navigate to the top of the page and click on Pipelines. This will take you to the Pipeline Management section where you can view existing pipelines or create new ones to organize your sales process effectively. Now, in the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a button labeled Create Pipeline. Go ahead and click on it to begin setting up your new pipeline. This is where you'll configure all the details and stages that match your specific sales workflow. The first thing you'll need to do is input a pipeline name. Choose something descriptive that clearly represents what this pipeline will be used for, such as sales funnel, lead nurturing, or client onboarding. This helps you and your team quickly identify the purpose of each pipeline. Next, you'll notice a toggle button for Use Opportunity Level Probability. Click on this toggle to turn it on. This feature allows you to assign probability percentages to each stage in your pipeline, giving you better insights into how likely deals are to close at different points in your sales process. Below that, you'll see options for how you want your pipeline stages to be displayed visually. You can choose between Stage Name Default, Stage Name Colored Dot, or Stage Name Background Tint. Each option gives your pipeline a different visual appearance, so select the one that works best for your preference and makes it easier for you to scan through opportunities at a glance. Now it's time to customize your pipeline stages. You'll see default stages that you can edit by clicking on each one. Here you can modify the stage name to match your workflow, such as New Lead, Contacted, Proposal Sent, or Closed Won. You can also adjust the probability percentage for each stage, which represents how likely a deal is to close when it reaches that particular point. If you need additional stages beyond what's provided by default, simply click the Add Stage button. This allows you to create as many stages as necessary to accurately reflect your complete sales process from start to finish. Once you've finished configuring all your stages and settings exactly how you want them, click the Create button at the bottom of the page. GoHighLevel will then save your new pipeline and make it available for you to start using immediately with your opportunities. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom pipeline in GoHighLevel that's tailored to your specific sales process. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.